Welcome back, my little animals. And if you guys are new to this channel, hi, welcome. My name is AnaItzel Muniz, aka Ani. And today I am going to be showing you guys how I created this look, because she's like a little neon look right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, starting off with priming my eyelids, I am going to be using the Louise base in shade Rumor 2. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to be dotting this all over my eyelids. Just like that. And I did already go ahead and basically do my brows off camera just to like speed things up a bit. I did also wax my brows today, so it should be nice and smooth for any type of shadow application. Okie doke, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this orange shade first. And I'm just gonna start dusting it all over the crease. Just like that. Okay, once we have this type of shade down, using the same brush, I am going to go ahead and grab this shade right here and placing it right on top. Once we have these two shades down, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a nice fluffy clean brush. So it should look something like this. And we're just going to start blending this out. Okay, so once we have all this blended out, I'm just going to go back in with the orange that we started off with first, and then just kind of like tapping it in. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is grab a Q-tip and some micellar water, and we're just going to clean it up. So I'm just going to start cutting the crease, just like that. Super easy. Same thing on the other side. Just cut the crease, super easy. Once we have this in place, I'm going to go back in with my Louise base, and we're just going to clean it up again with a small brush like this. Okay, so we should end up with something like this. Once we have this so far, I'm just going to be grabbing a really bright red shade, and we're just going to start patting it on the outer third of our eye. Good. Once we have something like this going on, we are going to go ahead and pick up a beautiful yellow, and we're just going to be placing it like on the inner part of the eye, so like right here. We're just going to start blending all these together. And going back in with that red shade, we're just going to be kind of like cleaning this up a little bit. This is beautiful. We're just going to get the other side to look like that too. We're just going to call this like a tequila sunrise moment, because this is definitely giving me tequila sunrise vibes. This is gorgeous. Once we have that in place, I'm going to grab a clean blending brush like that. And we're literally just gonna go around the sides and just kind of really diffuse the color to give it like a really smooth looking blend, you know? This is so pretty. Then we're gonna use some colorful liners. I'm in between these two right now. So this one is Hot Pants and this one is Chill Pill. I'm leaning more towards like Chill Pill just because it's like a little bit more orangey. So this is the first time I am going to be using one of these liners. This is a water activated liner and we're just going to be creating like a really cool look. Okie dokes. So grabbing a little bit of water on a brush like this, I'm going to start activating this. Once it's like the perfect consistency, you're going to tilt your head back and you're just going to go ahead and start lining. We're going to do the other side. Okay, once we have that in place, I am going to go ahead and grab the other liner and I'm just gonna like create like a wing with the other liner. Okay, so now grabbing Hot Pants, so we're gonna start lining the bottom. Ooh, this is a look. This is a look. So while I let this dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. I'm gonna wipe off this fallout and we're just gonna get it right. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and I finished my face off camera. I am just gonna be finishing up the eyes. So the first color I am gonna be grabbing is like a light, like orangey shade. And we are just gonna be placing this shade literally right below the eye. Oh god, the fallout is too real. What if I just... Yeah, okay, honey, like that really did anything. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna try to dust as much of this off. I'm going back in with my highlight because I'm pretty sure I dusted half of this off. Okay, so now that we did our face and we did the rest of our eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on and some mascara and I will be back. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and finished this look. This is what we came up with. She's kind of like stunning, I just gotta say. But I hope you guys really enjoyed watching and hopefully you guys learned how to go ahead and do this look as well. But yeah, but thanks so much for watching and I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!